Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ryan Oakley here from weddingphotographygig.com, and this is the complete wedding photography website tutorial, and we are on step number 7. In the last step we created this slideshow, which you can see now flipping through on our home page. So that's really cool. And in this step we are going to create our final page, which is going to go in our navigation bar, which if you go back to our site that we're modeling, it's called Work With Me. And the Work With Me page is it's a unique page. It's a pretty simple page, but remembering we're working within the Smugmug system, we've got to in this step we're going to have to do some creative things to get this page up and running as you see it now. So I'm going to go through those steps, and this is probably going to be the most complicated step in the whole tutorial, but I'm going to give you everything you need to know within this tutorial video, as well as probably some text instructions on the blog post. So you'll be able to make it with me. There'll be no problem. We'll go step by step. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you where the steps come from to create this unique page. And if we go into the Smugmug help page, which you can get through on your site by clicking the help button, if you go down, you'll see a section called Customize Your Site, and if you click on Advanced Customization FAQ, or even if you do a search for Advanced Customization FAQ, you'll get to this page, and there's just a whole bunch of information about doing little sneaky tricks with your site to make things, make your site look the way you want. Now, it took me months to go through all of these different things to finally make the site that I wanted to make. So one of the advantages of this tutorial is I'm just directing you straight to the ones that we need to use to create our site. So what we're looking at is the guest book, number 39. The numbers might have changed by the time you look at this video, but right now it's number 39. But it's how do I make a guest book? How do I make a guest book? Now we're not making a guest book, but the steps here are the same. So when you click on that link, you head over to, or you're sent to the Digital Grin or the dgrin.com forum, which is Smugmug's forum on the side for its community to ask questions and answer questions about everything from customization to Smugmug features and photography and business and stuff. So it's a really good forum to belong to. So in here we've got somebody asked how to make this this page, and here are the steps. So we're going to create a new gallery. We're going to lock the style to journal. We're going to add a photo, and we're going to do some photo description, and then we're going to do some minor custom CSS coding, and then we're done. So yeah, let's get to it. So back on our site, like the instructions say, we're going to upload a new gallery. This gallery, I'm going to call it Work With Me. But if you want to call it About Me or My Services or Your Investment or something like that, you can. But I'm going to fill in, this one page is going to have the About Me section, kind of a My Services or Your Investment section, and then it's going to be, the last part's going to be testimonials. So now we're going to pick a category, and I'm going to choose Other, which is way at the bottom here, because this one is a standalone gallery. It's not going to be a client gallery. It's just we just got to fit it in somewhere. So I'm going to call it Other. Yep. Quick settings. I'm going to leave all the settings to default right now, because we're going to go into the gallery settings once we upload a few photos, and then because it's a unique gallery, I'm going to do unique gallery settings on it. So if you remember, on our site we're going to have a picture about a picture of you. So this is a picture of me. And then I'm going to have my pictures from the different testimonial couples, from the different couples that I got testimonials from. I'm going to use those in this gallery as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I've got that all lined up already, of course. So if I go Finder, so I got Work With Me. So here's me and then my testimonial pictures. I'm going to drag and drop that in. It's just going to be 1 second here. It's not going to take long to upload it all. They don't have to be massive photos. They can just be sort of web-sized. As soon as that's done, I'm going to go back into the gallery. I'm done uploading. Okay, so here's our gallery, and processing image is just fine as soon as I hit refresh. those will show up. Or maybe refresh again. Eventually they'll come up. There they are. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to go into tools and we want to go gallery settings. And we're not going to do quick settings. Essentials is fine. Smart galleries is fine. Extras is fine. Look and feel. So this one's important. So I want to go clean, sure. Camera info, no. File names, no. Thumbnails, it actually doesn't matter because we're going to force our gallery style. And this is the important step. Force your gallery style from viewer controlled to journal. So you want your gallery style to be journal. Auto sort, we're actually going to manually sort and we can do that later. Password, no. Privacy, that's all fine. External links, that doesn't matter. Protected, that doesn't really matter. I'm just going to say no. Watermarking, no. Hide owner, no. Largest size, I just moved that to X3 large by default, but it really doesn't matter. Photo rank, no. Comments, no. Easy sharing, no. Photo edits, no. Family edits, no. Printable, no. I don't want the shopping cart to show up on the screen, so no, not printable. Sharpening is all fine. So now we click save, and here we are. Okay, let's get to other. So now we go other. Work with me is created. Now, so this is the journal style, I believe, and now we need to fill in some descriptions. Okay, you know what? I made a boo-boo, but we're gonna fix it here. So I told you to make a journal style, which this is the new journal style from Smugmug, which is not what we need actually. What we need to do is go back into gallery settings, and what we want to choose is the gallery style under look and feel, and we want to go journal old. Journal old is what we want. So let's click that and go save. That's better. That's closer to what we want here. The next thing we want to do is we want to arrange our photos because we want the about me page, or the about me at the top, or the picture of me at the top. So tools, and we're going to go under many photos, we're going to go arrange, and we're going to just go drag to arrange. That should be easy enough. So once I click that, I've got this thing here. I can just do that, and I'm actually going to go back to my site just to see what order I've got. So I've got those guys with the dog, those guys standing, those guys sitting. Okay, so we've got dog, standing, sitting. Perfect. So that's now in order. So I'm going to go done. Yeah, so just in the drag and drop, you can just drag and drop. Easy. So I'm going to go done there. So now I'm at the top. Perfect. Okay, so I think now I'm going to pause it here, and I'm going to, or stop it here, this video here, and I'm going to create a separate video to make sure that I'm underneath the 10-minute timeline. And in the second video, we're going to work on getting the text in for our page. So I'll show you how to do that in the next video.